Welcome to Astro5s.com. Hello. Glad to see you again. Today I would like to share with you the video about Sun in 9th house. About Sun. Rules Leo. Exaltation Aries. Detriment Aquarius. Fall Libra. Responsible. Eyes. Soul. Government. Father. GIF Shield of Helios, or Circle of Infinity. Represents power urge, personality, ego. Anatomy: the heart, upper back, spleen, circulatory system, the sperm, right eye of male, left eye of female. Keyword: inner self. General: the main expression of the individual. It shows the qualities of leadership and success. And it represents the masculine principle, the husband, father, men. Sun: it rules health, vital principles, and authority and bosses, title, high office, rank, progress, energy, dignity, sense of identity and capacity for experience. So its action is fortifying, vitalizing. The Sun in your chart is the life and heart of the chart. It is where you want to shine in life. 9th house, it mean there. It shows more distant places. Religion, philosophy, superconscious mind, long trips, laws, in-laws. Natural sign is Sagittarius. Natural ruler is Jupiter. Keyword is aspiration. 9th house is a house of life and fire. Quality is cadent house. General. This house shows your higher mind, superconsciousness. The 9th house indicates your religion, law, science, ideals, higher learning, philosophy, psychology, deep spiritual research, dreams and visions. And this house shows distant tourism, foreigners, foreign transactions, commerce, big business, imports and exports. It shows that the church is a spiritual element, cleric, in-law, grandchildren, intuition, morality and public opinion in general. This house shows the lessons we learn through life. Sun in the 9th house, keyword is adventurous. The Sun in the 9th house is an excellent placement for success in law, travel or orthodox religion. You're also likely to have a desire to explore philosophy or science, because you want to develop intellectually. You're searching for truths which can stand the test of time, either philosophical or scientific truths or both. Once you've satisfied yourself that you've discovered some truths, then you're likely to want to give others the benefit of your knowledge. Therefore you can be both the student and the teacher during your lifetime. You are a serious student with philosophical leanings, and you would make a good and devoted teacher. You have a flair for foreign languages, and you get along with almost anyone. You could marry a foreigner whom you meet on a long journey, or perhaps you have a foreign-born parent. At times you can be impractical, and if you use this placement negatively, you can be a daydreamer on the one hand or a fanatic on the other. You're a self-reliant, independent person who is also likely to move to a foreign country either for a short period of time or to take up permanent residence at some stage in your life. You were born during the hottest part of the day. This means that you are very active and often want to be moved and involved. Your energy and vitality are high. Your desire for adventure can take you to many places. Please be aware that when you are in a hurry, you may be prone to accidents. You may feel stressed by taking on responsibilities or having to engage in practical details and issues, but these are not really problems, it is under your discomfort. Once you feel inspired, things get easier. This is not a strong index for wealth. So unless you have other wealth indicators, you're more likely to spend your income on travel, religion, sports or study than accumulating money. Rich means something different to you. You are rich in thoughts, words, and actions. Traditional astrologer Deborah Holding claims that this position could mean you get away from religious sex or matters related to churches, long distance and foreign travel, books, letters, study, advanced and relative of spouse. However, there may also be disputes around these issues. You need to be careful to avoid long-term legal cases and problems associated with inheritance or monetary issues. Thank you for watching my video. Which house is your Sun position? Want to get a free natal horoscope? Please tell me. Thank you so much.